Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet A to Z. Violet color, green color, yellow color, orange color, light green color, brown color, yellow color, A for apple, B for ball, yellow color, C for cat, D for dog, brown color, E for elephant, F for fish, F for flower, G for grass, light green color, H for horse, I for igloo, I for ice cream, J for shoes, K for kite, orange color, L for light, M for N for necklace, yellow color, O for owl, yellow color, P for parrot, yellow color, Q for queen, yellow color, R for rain, violet color, S for strawberry, T for tiger, violet color, U for umbrella, green color, V for vase, W for window, X for X-ray, green color, Y for yak, Z for zero, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you.